Hey there, in this video, we will see how to erase a USB flash drive on the latest iPhone devices. So, let's watch the video till the end. Step 1. Connect USB drive to your iPhone. If you have a USB flash drive with USB-C, connect it to your iPhone. Use third-party USB adapters if you have a traditional flash drive without USB-C. Step 2. Files app. Launch the Files app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the Browse section and locate your USB drive. It is under the Locations section. Step 3. Erase USB flash drive. Press and hold on your USB drive name and select the Erase option. Afterward, select the file format you want to erase from your flash drive. Multiple file formats, such as NTFS, exFAT, and MS-DOS FAT, are available here. Please note that the NTFS format is recommended for macOS, iOS, and iPadOS. So, I am selecting the NTFS file format. Then, two options are available under the format. You can turn on the toggle next to Case Sensitive and Encrypted. At last, select the Erase option at the top right corner to start the erasing process. Wait for your iPhone to complete the erasing process. Step 4. Eject the USB drive. Once you're done, safely remove the USB adapter from your iPhone. That's it. If you don't see the Erase option, open the USB drive folder, tap on the three dots at the top, and tap the Select option. Then, select the files and tap the Delete option. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.